Hi guys, as a post-mortem video, I want to do this overlook meeting with you to look at some of the things, some of like, for example, the most important goals that we had in mind for this application, if we actually were able to accomplish, and I think we did. I think we were able to create a very professional, good-looking site using different frameworks such as jQuery, Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, Angular. As a matter of fact, I wrote the application in Angular using this technology, and I later on learned the new version of Angular, Angular 2, and I wanted to go back and rewrite it, but I didn't have the chance. But as the primary goals of this application from the technology perspective, personally, I was able to learn a lot. And now from a business perspective, again, we accomplished all of the main functionalities of the site. We included access to public and private pages. We included access to database records and resources about the students and the list of courses and list of electronic materials URLs that they will use for their learning purpose, as well as different roles, uh, student roles, teacher roles, and different screens based on that. We use a lot of modern-based interfaces and mobile-friendly. So the entire application is mobile-friendly, as I showed in previous videos. The whole screen adjusts and shows and hides different part of the application, as well as rearranges the screen appropriately for many different type of devices, all the way from tablets to a small phone screen size. So I'm very proud. I'm very happy with accomplishing all those goals. So I think we did a pretty good job. I was impressed really how easy it is once you understand all these technologies to put everything together. Um, what will I do better? I think some of the things that I also like was a lot of documents that we had to do, and we have to go through all the way from gathering information to doing the wireframes and mockups and maintenance plans and SEO plans and things like that. So what I will probably think I could do better is to organize those documents better. Um, Maybe simplify the documents a little bit better for my understanding. So that's what I'm planning to do. I'm planning to go back and organize some of those resources so I can reuse them every time now. As a matter of fact, I have a new project now, a real project from a customer. He's doing my remodeling on the house. He's doing my kitchen. He's doing my floor and changing the floor, the tiles. And guess what? This guy, he's a contractor. He hires people to do different part of the jobs, and he wants to have a website. He wants to have websites with pictures, a picture gallery of what they do, and he actually wants the people to be able to go and register. And so there is an interaction part on the website. And one of the first things that I want to do with him is, okay, I need a customer profile. What is it that you do? What services you offer? Do you have a logo? All those different things that we went through on different documents. So, but now when I wanted a document, I realized, oh, where do I have that document? Is it in project one, first month, week one? So I have to go back, reorganize the documents in an easy to follow way so I can really use them on projects. Um, what did I do bad? Probably my time management wasn't the best. I had to ask probably too many times for extensions. Um, Too many things were happening in the last month, all the way from house remodeling to job. I got a job. How do you say, reclassification? So yes, I got a salary raise, but at the same time, new responsibilities that require me to learn new stuff, new skills. I went to conferences. I've been traveling. I went to Colombia. I mean, it was just too much in Christmas, and so. But I'm glad that I was able to go through without having to change or too much the plan. I was able to accomplish the plan, meet all the major goals and things like that. So as far as statistics and things like that, we install. I learned about that, about how to implement Google Analytics on the application. but I don't have, unfortunately, a lot of history on usability yet or statistics because I've been the only one using the application. But I definitely want to gather and get into an analysis, data analysis and statistics a little bit more to make better decisions and see which of the SEO, the SEO or the advertising plans that I implement gave me a better result, which is one of the weak areas probably that I have. I'm more of a developer, less of a designer, and probably less of the marketing and those areas. I also learned that I don't have to be everything myself. If I know somebody else that might be a great designer or somebody else that does excellent marketing through the internet, maybe we can work together and accomplish better results. Because again, I wouldn't have time to do everything myself. So thank you very much. It was an excellent experience. Um, Keep in touch, and I hope I can continue accessing some of these resources through the university. Bye.